Hi guys, so I'm just editing this how to get free V-Bucks video, and I realised my microphone was off the entire time, so I've had to post-record a voiceover. So if you find that annoying, you can skip to around the 1 minute 20 mark on this video, and yeah, that will bring you to the how to get free V-Bucks tutorial. And once again guys, I apologise for the audio issues, but yeah, I hope you can still enjoy the video. So what is going on guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free V-Bucks in Fortnite for 2023. Now this method is ever so easy. You just need your mobile phone and an internet access, and you can get pretty much unlimited V-Bucks because you can do this method multiple times and just stack your codes. Now this is literally going to credit you your V-Bucks on your Fortnite account, and it's so easy. So let me run through the tutorial. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone, putting the screen here so you can all follow along and get your free V-Bucks in 2023. So let me kickstart the tutorial. Okay, you should now see my screen. Basically guys, I've gone to Google on the internet, and you need to go to gift card hero, and you're looking for giftcardhero.net. You can go directly to the website by typing www.giftcardhero.net. Alternatively, you can go to Google and just look for this website here. This website provides you with gift card codes, discount codes, and obviously game resources like V-Bucks. So simply tap the menu button, and you can see at the top here there's search, and in here just type in V-Bucks. Let me type, if I can type, go V-Bucks. Okay, and you can see free V-Bucks codes for Fortnite. Tap, and you can see there is a full guide if you require it. So tap the free V-Bucks button, and this is going to come to this page. Now you just need to enter in your username that you play Fortnite, your Fortnite username. And then your platform, so you can choose, for example, I play on Xbox, so I'm going to tap Xbox and press submit. And now you can choose how many V-Bucks you want. I'm going to choose the maximum, which is 13,500 V-Bucks. Press continue. And what upgrade, I'm not actually sure what this is because I'm not that much of a Fortnite player. However, I'm guessing limited edition is the best. So here we go. Is everything correct? There's my username, and this is for Xbox, and it's going to give me 13,500 free V-Bucks. Press confirm, and you can see it's connecting to the database and looking for my username. It's doing some complicated stuff here, so just be patient whilst it does this. And you can see there is a verification we need to complete. This basically just verifies you're a real person and not a robot looking to steal the codes. So tap this verify button, and this is the verification, completely normal. If you come across this page, that's actually a good sign. That means there are free V-Bucks for you to get. We just need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers, and you can see on my screen here there's a list of offers ranging from installing applications to just completing some surveys. So choose 2 of them, and there is a description below each one on how to complete them. I'm going to click on this top one. The ones at the top tend to be the easiest. This is a survey. I just need to answer the questions and then enter in my email and some other information here. So let me click on a second one as well, just to speed this up. This is also a survey. Okay, so I'm going to complete both of these. I'll do them off camera just so I don't waste any more of your time. So give me a couple of minutes, I'll finish these off and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just completed both of those tasks, making sure I fully completed them, entering in my information because I chose to do the surveys. But as long as you just fully complete whatever 2 offers you choose, they're all completely free, and it shouldn't take no more than a couple of minutes. Once you've done those, simply go to your tabs on the iPhone and Safari, it's down on the bottom right. Go back to this page, and you can see it now says verification complete. Your 13,500 free V-Bucks will now be credited to account SmithBones88, which is my account. Please allow 5 to 10 minutes for them to be usable, thanks. So basically guys, all I have to do now is wait 5 to 10 minutes and check my Fortnite account on my Xbox, and I'm going to be seeing 13,500 V-Bucks on my account, and I can spend them however I want. So you just have to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the V-Bucks to be credited, and that is how easy it is. It literally takes a few minutes to add 13,500 V-Bucks to your account. So this method is the easiest way to do it, to get free V-Bucks in Fortnite for 2023. That is how you do it, guys. Ever so easy. If you need any help, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.